Hey guys, so I'm back again. I am detangling my hair. I received complimentary products from Influenster on behalf of Carol's daughter, their Wash Day Delight line, the Aloe version. So what I'm doing here to prepare my hair for shampoo and conditioning, I'm just taking out my twists. I had these twists in for about 2.5 weeks, so it's overdue. It's past time for washing and conditioning my hair. I typically like to wear protective styles, so I figured this would be the perfect time to wash my hair with these new products. So typically what I do is I would take out my twist and then get in the shower and let the water just loosen up my curls and everything before I start shampooing and conditioning. And here I'm just showing you the products, big full-size products from Carol's daughter. Now let's get into the video. Here you see me shampooing my hair. I am using the pads of my fingers instead of my nails. And it is a watery consistency, but it turns into a foam, and a little bit goes a long way. It lathers up quickly and it really cleanses my scalp, which I really love. So I love the nozzle feature on the bottle. It allows me to get directly on my scalp and just work the product in and cleanse my scalp thoroughly. And I'm just massaging it in, and as you can see, I'm just getting the the edges and the perimeter of my hair and the back, just making sure that everything is cleansed thoroughly. And as you can see, I'm excited that I didn't use a lot of product and it just coated my hair perfectly. So after I rinse that out, I'm showing you my scalp is clean, shrinkage is real. Yes, baby. So now I'm getting ready to put the conditioner in, and my phone cut off, so I didn't get a chance to record me detangling every section of my hair for you all to see. But I mean, you've seen enough hair tutorials to know how to section your hair and detangle and put conditioner on. And I let the conditioner sit on for maybe about 2 hours. I know they said to rinse it out, but I like to leave mine on. Okay guys, we're back. So as you can see in the previous clips, and I'll probably insert some more here, I use the new Carol's daughter Wash Day Delight shampoo and conditioner. These two products right here. So first, let's get into the shampoo. This is the Aloe version. They also have a rose scent, but I received the Aloe one, which I absolutely love. The scent is amazing. It leaves a wonderful smell. My hair smell great. It is a water to foam shampoo. So as you can see, it's like a real thin consistency liquid. But as you can see in the clip, it lathered up so well. Like, I didn't even have to use a whole lot. As you can see, I didn't use that much to do my entire head. So it lathered up great, quickly, and it smelled great. My scalp was clean afterwards. I only shampooed one time. Normally, you shampoo twice, but I only did one time with this, and it got my scalp pretty clean, very clean. The only thing is, after I rinsed out the shampoo, it felt semi-dry. It wasn't as moisturizing as some of my other shampoos that I use, but however, it's still good. Nevertheless, it's still great. It did its job. It wasn't like stripping or anything like that. Just a hint of dryness, but it wasn't too bad. So this one I will probably continue to use, and I'm just enjoying it overall. I didn't think I would like it. This is my first time ever using any of the Carol's daughter products, so I can honestly say I'm very pleased with this one. Now let's get into the conditioner. The conditioner made detangling a breeze. I didn't detangle my hair before I got into the shower. All I did was took out my twist, let the water run and saturate on my strands, shampooed, rinsed that out. Then I put the conditioner on and I detangled. I detangled my hair in sections, so I think I did 3 on each side. But the product went on great. I didn't have to use a whole lot to coat my hair. For me, I have to really work the product in before I use any of the styling tools. I have a detangling brush that I use to detangle, and some other products I have to really lay on the product. But with this, I didn't. Honestly, I did not. All I did was took a little dollop or whatever and just saturated my hair and just kept massaging it through. And then I went in with my detangling brush and I didn't have any issues at all. I should have recorded the amount of hair that I lost, which was less than when I used my other conditioners. So this is a plus. This is a jelly to cream conditioner. So I think in the previous clip I showed you it was like a jelly consistency, but once I put it on my hair and got it worked in and saturated in, it kind of made it like a creamy. It became creamy, if that makes sense. With the water, it's like the water activated it to become creamy, and it just easily just coated my hair, and it just really made a huge difference. So I would definitely recommend this one as well. And it was easy to rinse out. And I followed up with my Aloe Naturals lemongrass leave-in moisturizer and the cream. I can't remember the name of it right now, but it's also the lemongrass one by Aloe Naturals. So I just put those 2 products on my hair after I finish washing and conditioning my hair, and I just did some flat twists all over and I let it dry. So my hair is still twisted underneath my protective style. Honestly, overall, I'm pleasantly surprised with the Carol's Daughter Wash Day Delight line that they have. So I mean, I'm kind of speechless at this point. I will continue to use them, and if I have any updates, I'll be sure to let you guys know. But my first impression, I give it a 9.5 out of 10. I really do. So I look forward to seeing you all in the next review video, and you all have a good day. Bye.